This module describes the procedure to prepare electrical Ethernet cable for MPT HC with cobox. Several items are used during this procedure. We have the shielded gland for the cobox, 2 RJ45 connectors dedicated to the Cat5e cable with their assembly instruction. We also have the Heros tool, and the Cat5e cable. Let's now see how to assemble all these items. First of all, pass the Cat5e cable through the gland. Remove around 30 millimeters from the outer jacket of the Cat5e cable. Then cut the shield spread the wires. Arrange the wires according to the color code. Shorten the wires to 15 millimeters to facilitate the insertion of the guide plate. Then insert the guide plate as shown, and push it until the edge of the jacket. Strip 14 millimeters more from the outer jacket. Fold the braided shield. Then cut the excess wire length. Install the guide plate inside the connector and push it to the edge as shown. Make sure that the connector is straight with the cable. Then clamp the connector and cut the excess shield. Don't attach the boot on the other cable. Take a 35 centimeter reference on the cable. Mark 1.5 centimeters from the reference. Mark 3 centimeters from the reference. Then remove the jacket between the two marks. After that, slide up the gland to grant a grounding connection. Then secure the cable by tightening the gland. Use the hoisting grip tool to pull up the cable on the tower. Now, assemble the other RJ45 connector indoor. And finish by assembling the boot. To terminate, verify the connectivity using an Ethernet cable tester. Also, make sure of the waterproofness and don't forget to install the grounding kits at the appropriate locations.